Hi, my name is Patrick, and I'm here to talk to you about GloveOS. GloveOS is an open source hardware and software human interaction device. So this is GloveOS. It operates with an inertial motion unit on the back to track your motion in 3D space. It's also equipped with flex sensors to track gestures, which are coded into the API. It currently runs off of a Raspberry Pi, which is running the Raspbian Linux. So here's a demo of the GloveOS in action. As you can see, it moves around somewhat. The controls are a little messed up, but I believe with a little bit of research and development that the mouse will work much better and not gravitate towards that corner. If I can get up to the corner here, I can click by bending my finger. Click. There we go. Click by bending my finger, my index finger here, so I can open the file. If I can keep on it. So this is the terminal, reads out values of where my glove ought to be at any time. So that's a sample of the GloveOS. So what needs to be done in the future? First off, this glove is a bit of an eyesore. I imagine that in the next iteration of the glove I can create a small PCB board with these chips rather than being breakout boards, more as just the small chips there on the PCB that is made, as well creating gloves with these flex sensors in line as well, so it's a little more of a streamlined design there. And maybe some more comfortable gloves. This glove's a little uncomfortable. As far as the code goes, I need to filter out the data a little better. As you can see, it's kind of jumpy, but it does get the general idea and works sometimes. I think that the issue there is getting my orientation correct, because this as opposed to this is a little bit funky for right now. If you back my project, what I'll be doing with your money is research and development to, buy a new board, get this first iteration of the glove done, do some more code work, as well as having the first nice prototype with some wireless Bluetooth communication with the Raspberry Pi. As well, for the code, I'd like to send the Raspberry Pi to a Windows device as a wireless mouse so that you can do you use this for other programs, things like SolidWorks or 3D modeling, because once you get the 3D position tracking down very well, which I believe I'm very close to, you can 3D model by just grabbing and rotating or moving around and create an intuitive design situation here for anybody who uses those types of software. As well, this is called the GloveOS. Glove open source. And the reason that it's open source is because all the plans for this are on my website as well as on this Kickstarter page, and all the code is on GitHub. So that's the other way you can back me here, is just by looking through my code and trying to help me get the GloveOS working very nicely. As well, if you like to back for a little more money, I can send you a kit to build your own glove, or I can construct one for you once I've got a tailored consumer-ready version. I can send it your way and you can fiddle with it. I'm not very creative, but all of you are, and I'd like to see what the GloveOS can do in many different applications. Thank you.